Athanasian Creed, Episode 6. Qualis Pater, Talis Filius, Talis Spiritus Sanctus, Increatus Pater, Increatus Filius, Increatus Spiritus Sanctus. The Creed continues, as the Father, so the Son, so the Holy Spirit. Qualis and talis, these are coordinating or correlative adjectives. They are all masculine, singular, and nominative. Qualis, talis, as I've said, are used correlatively to show relationships between things. As the Father, so is the Son, and so is the Holy Spirit. And then again, Pater, Filius, and Spiritus Sanctus, these are all masculine, singular, nominative. Perhaps we want to understand the word est implied with each. The Father, Pater, is uncreated, not created, has no origin. This is from the first conjugation verb creare, to create or to make. It's a perfect passive participial form formed on that, increatus. The Father is not created, the Son is not created, the Holy Spirit, Spiritus Sanctus, is not created. And there is the figure of speech here called asyndeton, which means the omission of a conjunction. So we would expect the conjunction et here, but it has been left out. The reason is, I think, to make the relationships even more immediate. There is no subordination of any kind between the three persons of the Trinity, so much so that even the conjunction is omitted. And this further emphasizes their co-eternality, their co-equality of substance and glory.